our system become like the routine education system. Who are memorizing good, who are expert in routine, he took lead.
तूने जो मुझे हाथ पकड़ कर न चलाया होता, तूने जो मुझे हाथ पकड़ कर न चलाया होता, मैं कभी पेड़ नहीं बनती न मेरा साया होता. If mother is heaven, तो father is the gate of heaven.
You no one notice your tears. No one notices your sadness. No one notices your pain. They all notice your mistake. So be careful all the time. If you're feeling alone, if you need to talk, I'm definitely said if you need to talk, parents always there for you.
माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, अपने पेरेंट्स कितना कुछ नहीं करते हैं, एक थैंक यू तो बनता है. प्लीज़ गाइस, प्लीज़ थैंक यू अपने पेरेंट्स. थैंक यू. मेरे प्यारे से दोस्तों के लिए एक प्यारी सी लाइन, मेरे प्यारे से दोस्तों के लिए एक प्यारी सी लाइन. फूल कभी दोबारा नहीं खिलते, जन्म कभी दोबारा नहीं मिलते. कि क्या खूब कहा है किसी ने, फूल कभी दोबारा नहीं खिलते, जन्म कभी दोबारा नहीं मिलते. मिलते हैं लोग हजारों पर, हजारों गलतियां माफ करने वाले माँ बाप दोबारा नहीं.
Line of the Albert Einstein says that everybody is genius, but if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, that whole life you think I am stupid. That's all. The similarity. Listen. The similarity. But my whole mouth is. Please give me the water. I am not well. That's why I have lots of. Similarly, the Dronacharya teach his students by its field of expertise, by his behalf of his skills. That he teaches the Arjun to archery, Bhim to mace, he teaches Nakul and Sahdev to sword, and Yudhishthir to a spear, and gave him knowledge of the knowledge. But what we are doing today, but today's things are different. That we are giving the same knowledge to everyone. That we all are saying that science comes first, then commerce, then arts. That our parents are also wanted to our children choose the mainstream career, not a offbeat stream career. That time the medicine science and the engineering are considered to the path of the success of a student. In 1947, when India was independent, that time India is underdeveloped country, and there's literacy, their mortality rate is very high. That's why that time the doctor is seeing like a god entity, like a god figure, and they are greatly needed. That's happening in so long time. So at the time, the parents are thinking, if our children become a doctor, that in 1919, when liberalization came to India, then industries are very growing fast. Then engineering demands increase, and that everybody is asking to a student, will you become a doctor and engineer? When the world turned towards the computer engineering become the most popular stream. And in 2010, the MBA with an engineering degree is become the most safest thing, the most safest profession. This country with 5,500 business schools produce more than lakhs of the students in 1 year. But the ASSOCHAM study called that only 7% of them are employable. It means that 93% of the Indian MBA graduates are not employable. That no one asks to a student what he want to become actually, what he has talent in, what he want to do, what he has natural talent in. Nobody can say him to become a Nobody can say him to become a director, become a writer, become a dance teacher, become not a sport teacher, not in fact a teacher. That this type of if this type of schooling are done, that what will our creativity do? It will die. I mean that Britishers did this because Britishers did this because they want that labor who obey his order. That want this soldier who only obey him order, don't think others, and he destroy our creativity thinking and invention thinking. But today, even today, the school and colleges are doing also that, except some. When we go where else we go, some other except some schools and colleges, that we go where else, universities and colleges, there's no discuss about innovation, there's no work upon in creativity. That today's time, that in this competitive world, there everybody is fighting for survival. There, that I want to in my speech with a line: the pen is mightier than the sword. Thank you, everyone.
Hello everyone. Good morning. Today I want to talk about powerful weapon, that is education. Education is not a thing, that is thing. Education is something that help you. Your education is something that could make you. That could provide a way to achieve something. To be a success in your life, to be something, to be a person who can help the society. Education is very important for all. Education is very, very important for everyone. In case if you want to change the mentality of a person, in case if you want to have feed in your family, in case to earn, in case to have luxury life, education is everywhere. Education is everywhere. Education is the key to success. I just want to focus education. Education is not only books knowledge. It's not about only learning a book all the time. It's about what the society actually wants from you. What the society need of today's time. Education is not a person. Education is not a person who is making and earning money. Education, but it's not knowing what to do. It's just knowing, believe in the society, to be a good person, to be a human. Actually they don't know. So we don't know such kind of people. We want educated person. Education promote equally. Education open door to new opportunity. Education encourage creativity. It helps us express ourselves. Through arts, writing and innovations. When we learn, we make our world better. We can share our ideas. And lastly, I say, so let's the value of education and support each others in learning. Thank you for listening for me.
none other than she has a very great personality, says Miss Sakra. Please have a big round of applause for her.
A very very good morning all of everyone. In this beautiful morning, I am not going to share on any topic. I am going to share my feeling about my parents. First, I want to share a beautiful quote. तूने जो मुझे हाथ पकड़ कर न चलाया होता, तूने जो मुझे हाथ पकड़ कर न चलाया होता, मैं कभी पेड़ नहीं बनती ना मेरा साया होता. मैं कभी पेड़ नहीं बनती ना मेरा साया होता, ना होती मैं सब कुछ जो आज हूँ मैं, ना होती मैं सब कुछ जो आज हूँ मैं, मुझ में मेरा अक्स जो तूने न दिखाया होता.
Wow.
So our parents are the greatest blessing in this world. There is no substitute for them. We come to the world because of our parents who has give us life. Mother gives birth, so father gives life. Mother teaches to walk, the father teaches to run. Mother teaches to standing up, the father teaches to stand. If mother is heaven, the father is the gate of heaven. Father is kind, so mother is very very kind. The father is leader that leads to the highest. The mother is prayer that keeps sad forever. My dear friends, in this world, there is no any moment that doesn't include the selfish love of a parent. Our parents is the most precious gift for God, for us. So we should respect our parents. Don't take out any word from your tongue that will cause pain and sorrow for them. वालिदैन की मौजूदगी एहसास बहार होती है. वालिदैन की मौजूदगी एहसास बहार होती है. उनकी खिदमत से ही सबकी कश्ती पार होती है और उनकी रजा से ही सबकी किस्मत पायदार होती है. Our parents is the best creation because in this selfish world they are the one only who wants to see you success, and only who is only want to see who is only silently sacrifice to your comfort and happiness. Without our parents, we don't have any identity. Without them, we can't imagine our future, our achievement, our success. All the unconditional love and support we receive from them. My parents is the best. They never ever rest. They work hard day and night to make me very bright. वालिदैन हमारी तालीम और तरबियत करते हैं. अपनी बसात से ज़्यादा मुशक्क़त करते हैं. खुद भूखे रहकर हमें पालते हैं. अपने चैन कुर्बान करके हमें खुश करते हैं. Our parents is like a big tree. एक ऐसा पेड़ जो बूढ़ा होकर फल ना भी दे लेकिन साया जरूर देता है. नींद अपनी भुलाकर सुलाया हमको, आंसू अपने गिराकर हंसाया हमको. दर्द ना देना कभी इन हस्तियों को, खुदा ने माँ बाप बनाया जिनको.
Sakra, you have expressed your thought very beautifully. So
Yes, yes. I want to add on the point that I already mentioned that a stunning personality, and she proved that all of our expectation. Seriously, a great and admirable performance by her. And now we would like to call another contestant, and his name is what?
her name is Sabrin.
Okay, her name is Sabrin. Sorry for the delay.
Hey, hello everyone. How are you guys? Good morning to all of you. I'm standing here to talk about our parents. That is not parents. It's my feeling about our parents. You know what? In this world, in this fake world, no one's love you. Only and only your mother and fathers loves you. Parents are a blessing to every child. They have brought us to this world. Parents take care of our children since a childhood. However, biological parents are the first degree parents of a child. However, parents take care of the children. However, some people adopt the children to give them the required care. These people are also parents. Parents are considered the legal guardian of a child. Parents of our pillars. Parents of our shadows. Parents are sacrificed a lot for you. You know what? Parents are also make sacrifice to provide us with a comfortable lifestyle. Parents, Lord sacrifice. They work hard. Nature as well. They work hard only for you. They work hard to only for you. Parents bring us to the world. Yes, parents bring us to the world and help us become a mature person. In this process, parents take care of children. In this process, parents of our psychological, educational, social, and mental growth. You know what? A mother is the first teacher. Yes, a mother is the first teacher of every child's life. They build character of our child. See a lot of sacrifice for you, only for mother. No one in this world take care of our children. No one in this world, only they always telling a lie. No one is appreciate you. No one is appreciate you. No one notice your tears. No one notices your sadness. No one notices your pain. They all notice your mistake. So be careful all the time.
Right.
Parents teach us the valuable life. Parents teach us what is wrong and right. Parents teach us to motivate us and guide us. Between difference of what is wrong and what is right. You know what? Parents, you talk to parents if you have feeling alone. If you talk to parents, if you feel alone. No one in this world, yes, no one. Only for our parents, behind of parents. Only parents, lot of sacrifice of you. Only for you. Do you know what is right and wrong? You understand everything because of your parents. Because of your parents. In this world, no one listen to you. No one understand you. No one support you. Only and only your parents support. Parents want you are successful in this world. Parents want you make sacrifice only for your success and win. No one in this world. If you're feeling alone, if you need to talk, I'm definitely said if you need to talk, parents always there for you. Right. If you need to talk, they listen to you. If you need to feel lost, they guide you. They support you. They stand you. They always say, if you're feeling lost, I will give a soldier. Yes, I will give a soldier. If you feel alone, I will be the friend. Won't I ever, never leaves you. Only your parents.
फर्स्टली गुड मॉर्निंग मेरे प्यारे क्यूट सर. गुड मॉर्निंग मेरे प्यारे प्यारे क्यूटेस्ट दोस्तों.
Good morning.
My name is Khushi. I will speak a very beautiful, a very amazing topic. That topic is our parents. My dear friends, today I'll discuss how your parents impact your life, why you are thankful and how you are thankful. My dear friends, you know, I know, all the countries know, all the world knows, parents is very, very important in our life. My dear friends, parents is our valuable person. We can't imagine our life without parents. Never forget your parents. Guys, I am telling you, please, never forget your parents because she is the best guidance in the world. My dear friends, do you know, parents is the first teachers. Parents teach their children how to speak, how to walk, how to distinguish between right and wrong. A parent's love is whole, no matter how many times divided. My dear friends, parents is the most valuable person in the world. मेरे दोस्तों, दुनिया सिर्फ हाल पूछती है, हाय, हेलो. फिक्र no one else. फिक्र तो सिर्फ माँ पिताजी ही करते हैं. Am I right, guys?
Yes. Exactly.
When responsibility comes on your shoulders, then you realize your father and mothers. My dear friends, when your parents are not rich, still afford to give you beautiful life, sacrifice their appreciate. My dear friends, अपने पेरेंट्स कितना कुछ नहीं करते हैं, एक थैंक यू तो बनता है. प्लीज गाइस, प्लीज थैंक यू अपने पेरेंट्स. थैंक यू. My dear friends, can I ask one question?
Yes.
When Parents Day is celebrated?
I guess every day should be Parents' Day.
Right. My dear friends, 28th July, National Parents Day is observed on the 4th Sunday of July.
Yes.
Every year. And this year it will be celebrated on 28th July, day of Sunday. मेरे प्यारे से दोस्तों के लिए एक प्यारी सी लाइन, मेरे प्यारे से दोस्तों के लिए एक प्यारी सी लाइन. फूल कभी दोबारा नहीं खिलते, जन्म कभी दोबारा नहीं मिलते. कि क्या खूब कहा है किसी ने, फूल कभी दोबारा नहीं खिलते, जन्म कभी दोबारा नहीं मिलते. मिलते हैं लोग हजारों पर, हजारों गलतियां माफ करने वाले माँ बाप दोबारा नहीं मिलते. A mother may be educated or uneducated, but she is the best guidelines in the world when you fail in your life. My dear friends, no matter when, no matter where, no matter what, always I love you, my parents. My dear friends, lastly, I am telling you, respect your parents. No one else, no matter. And lastly, parents is, guys, आप जानते हैं हम अपने पेरेंट्स से बहुत इतना सारा प्यार करते हैं. क्या आप करते हैं?
Yes.
Yeah. All the people loves parents. Yes. All the people loves parents. My dear friends, always respect your parents. Always trust your parents because they are the reason why and who you are. My dear friends, I thank my parents. I am proud of my parents because parents give me Parents give me a very beautiful life. My dear friends, respect your parents. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for listening to me. Thank
Yeah, I'm also perfectly fine. Firstly, I will share code. Don't worry. Yes, don't worry. Life always gives you a next chance. But you have to be in the battlefield. Don't accept the defeat until you die. Victory and loss is decided our mind. Today I talk about a very beautiful topic, that is our parents. Parents, they are our first teacher, our role models and our guardian angels. They nurture us, support us and shape us into who we are today. Do you know how much your parents love you? Whenever you are in trouble, they are the first ones to be with you. Even if you're wrong, they try to understand. You first think, that is, I will handle it. You know, guys, your parents become a team and become observe with you, to drive you around, to feed you, to raise you, because they don't want to see any problem in your life. They always want to see you successful and happy in your life. But it's a pity you are giving its result in just 15 to 18 years. If they don't listen to you, you insult them, you beat them just for one thing, that is, if they don't follow your advice. Do you know how much your parents love you? How much your parents wants you? Never think about what my parents did for me. Think about what you have done for your parents during these days. You have a parents and you think, that is, my parents are burden to me because giving them food, giving them good class, talking to them. No, my dear friends, you are wrong. Means that you think wrong. I'm telling you, you are so lucky that you have a parents. You ask someone who doesn't have a mother how they feel today, who doesn't have a father. Those people also think, if I had a parents, I would have respected them. So never forget your parents. And you have a both, so just respect for your parents. They will go away, they will never come back to talk to you, to motivate you, to appreciate you, to ask you, how are you, what are you doing, where are you? They will never say anything. Suppose a situation, if you have an operation and the doctor said, you will have to wait for a week. Only your parents stand behind you. Not any friends, not any relatives, not any classmates. So just respect for your parents. Don't forget them. You know, guys, this world is very selfish. Some people win and some people lose. So just work hard. If not for yourself, at last your parents. हम लोग सोचते हैं ना, जो भी हूँ, जैसा भी मैं खुद हूँ, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है. It's just because of parents. आप जो भी हो, जैसे भी हो, आप अपने माँ बाप की वजह से हो. So thank you for listening.
Admirable performance. Next,
Judges are getting confused.
what?
Judges are getting confused in selecting the.
By the way, we are getting very confused. Means everyone has done their job very beautifully. So, no, sir.
no one
Last
left.
but not the least from this Miss group, she is none other than she is Miss Tanu. Please come here.
Respected teachers and my dear friends and dear audience, good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
A very energetic and warm welcome to all of you. First of all, I would like to say that thank you for my dear teachers for giving this golden opportunity to express my view on that topic. Today, I want to talk about something motivate us, drive us, and make us come alive. That something drive us and transform our lives. That something is passion. Yeah, my dear audience, I'm talking about passion. Passion is the fuel that ignites our soul. It is the fire that burns within us. driving us to pursue our dreams, overcome obstacles, and make some meaningful impact in your life. My dear audience, without passion, life would be dull and uninspiring because you don't have passion. We would merely exist rather than truly alive. But if you have passion, you would merely exist and rather than truly alive. But you have passion, it makes you feel happy and excited because you have passion. So it is very important to find your passion, see what you enjoy the most. Maybe you love painting, you cooking food, you reading book, etc. Whatever it is, make time for it in your life. People who follow their passion often do great things because they never give up and work hard. I have also passion and I want to become a good English speaker. So I have always believed that if you are pursuing your dreams, then journey itself is beautiful. You can't use negative about it, and you can't use word difficult. And thank you so much for your valuable time. I am deeply grateful for your presence and attention. Thank you so much.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How are you? I'm fine. I'm absolutely fine. And today I'm here to talk about the most important thing, that is communication skills. Beneficial in future. The most important thing in communication is to hear what is not being said. You can't compete globally unless you have appropriate communication skills. Effective communication is 20% what you know and 80% how you feel about it and what you know. खुदा उस इंसान के हालात कभी नहीं बदलते, खुदा उस इंसान के हालात कभी नहीं बदलते, ना हो जिसे ख्याल खुद अपने हालात बदलने का, ना हो जिसे ख्याल खुद अपने हालात बदलने का। तो बस आपको आज से ये सोचना है कि आप अपने हालात को कैसे बदलते हैं in terms of like communication skills. Just you need to improve the art. Good communication is like bridge between confusion and clarity. The art of communication is the language of leadership. Communication is a skill that you can learn. It's like riding a bicycle or typing. If you are willing to work at it, you can rapidly improve the quality of every part of your life. The most important thing in communication is one of the most important skills. Communication is the most important skill that you require for a successful life. Take advantage every opportunity to practice your communication skills so that when important occasion arise, you will have the style, you will have the clarity, you will have the emotion to affect other people. And last, I want to say one poetry, and that is in Hindi. मलाल है मगर इतना मलाल थोड़ी है, मलाल है मगर इतना मलाल थोड़ी है, ये आँख रोने की शिद्दत से लाल थोड़ी है, यहाँ बस अपने ही वास्ते फिक्रमंद है लोग, यहाँ किसी को किसी का ख्याल थोड़ी है। परों को काट दिया है उड़ान से पहले, परों को काट दिया है उड़ान से पहले, ये गुरूब होने का मतलब जवाल थोड़ी है। परों को काट दिया है उड़ान से पहले, ये खौफे हिज्र है, शौके विसाल थोड़ी है। लगानी पड़ती है डुबकी उभरने से पहले, लगानी पड़ती है डुबकी उभरने से पहले, गुरूब होने का मतलब जवाल थोड़ी है। मज़ा तो तब है जब हार के हंसते रहो, मज़ा तो तब है जब हार के हंसते रहो, हमेशा जीत जाना कमाल थोड़ी है।
The
art of communication skill is the language of leadership. A lovely good morning, SMBians and all my viewers. How are you all? Yeah, I'm also fine. I'm Tulsi and today I'm going to talk to you guys on a very beautiful topic, and which is communication skill. My dear friends, as we all know that communication skill is very important to speak any language, to express your thoughts, your ideas, your feeling to someone. At that time, communication skills are important. My dear friends, we feel comfortable in the place where we are living, but we go somewhere else, like to another country, another city, तो हम वहाँ अपने पैसे अपने कपड़े से नहीं बल्कि अपने कैरेक्टर और कम्युनिकेशन स्किल से जाने जाते हैं.
Good.
My dear friends, communication work for those who work at it. This quote by Sean Powell underscored the vital role of effect. Communication is our interconnected world. Communication is crucial in personal, professional, and communicative interaction. Poor communication can lead to misunderstanding and missed opportunity, while clear expression fosters success. My dear friends, do you know how important communication skills are for individual? Guys, a strong communication skill significantly enhance career's prospect. And my dear friends, you know, effect communication skill 20% what you know and 80% how you feel about what you know. Guys, communication helps us to contact. It improves our personality and gives us confidence and courage in our life. My dear friends, you know, listening is the important part of communication skill. And for communication skill, body languages also matter. So think before you speak. And my dear friends, you know how to improve our communication skill? If you want to strengthen your communication skill, then you will have to follow some tips like practice active listening, engage full in conversation and ask questions. And second, expand your vocabulary. A wider vocabulary allows for clear expression. And third, engage in public speaking. Join group like Toastmaster to practice speaking. Yes, my dear friends, clear communication is the key to unlock understanding. And my dear friends, strong communication are viewed as more competent and confident. In the end, I would like to tell you guys, effective communication is essential for personal and professional success. By improving our skill, we can better contact with others. Yes, my dear friends, communication is not just about speaking, it's about creating understanding. So thank you for listening to me.